Look like you're lost. Are you looking for a real school entertainment? Come follow me. Come on in.
Well, follow me right this way. Over here we have Jay Gray. Jay Gray is signing up for the talent search right now also. And Jay Gray is a singer and a model, correct?
I am.
Okay, would you like to sing something for us?
Sure.
All right, she's going to sing something for us. All right, give it to us.
I'm going to sing an original piece called Addicted.
I am addicted to your love. I am addicted to your pain. I am addicted to your heart. And it's driving me so insane. My addiction is strong for you. My heart doesn't know just what to do. And I see with my heart and not my eyes.
Thank you.
OMG. That was really good. As you can see, Cleveland has got talent. Hi. Are you a rapper too?
Yeah, I'm a rapper. I sing a little bit.
Oh my gosh, he raps and sings. Okay, would you like to do something for us?
Your body look ready like a dynamite. You're always looking fly when you pass by. Girl, I know you're ready, and I see you ready. I'ma treat you like a lady, baby. We can keep it steady. You're like a famous painting every time I see you. Your voice is like a song, girl, I wanna hear you. Your beauty and affection make me wanna hold you. Your personality make me wanna dine you. Say, hey, pretty girl, you make your mama proud. Ambition and the drive in your sexy eyes. I love it when you move your body, got it, baby. You blowing up the spot, girl, see you, lady. Girl, you got them gone over your body, baby. Her reputation go beyond planet Mars. Your body look already like a dynamite.
Oh my goodness. Now, where are you from?
I'm from East Africa, Nairobi, Kenya. I'm an
Okay.
African boy.
Okay, so you live in Cleveland now then?
Yeah, I live in Cleveland.
Okay, well, like I said before, Cleveland has got talent. That was great. Thank you. So right here at Blake's Supper Club on the corner of East 9th and Rockwell, Saturday, June 22nd, save the date. If I were you, I'd be here. I'm co-hosting, so I will be here, me and Haz Matthews. You don't want to miss it. If you're not talented, if you're not performing, come out, grab a drink, kick back, and support your Cleveland artists. Oh, and look what we have over here, Robert Cruz, one of the people who's actually putting this together. So now if someone wants to sign up for this show, where can they go or who can they talk to?
Oh, they can talk to me at 216-210-6024 or call Real School Entertainment. That's the number.
Can you say a number again, please?
210-6024, air code 216. Call Real School Entertainment to sign up for the Real School Entertainment and Dollars Unlimited Talent Search.
All right. Well, this is going to be a great event. You definitely don't want to miss it. If you're not talented, if you're not going to perform, just come, sit back, and watch the show and support Cleveland.
What up, Cleveland? It's your boy Rich Dollars from Love and Hip Hop New York. I will be in Cleveland June 22nd, and I'm looking for the next big thing. Me and my homeboys from Real School Entertainment will be in the building. Holla at your boy Rich Dollars, Love and Hip Hop New York, National Model Talent Search.
Hey, this your boy Cruz from the Cleveland's own Rude Boys. 7 p.m. Saturday, June 22nd. Me and my man Rich Dollars will be in the building at Blake's Supper Club, so be there, cause Rich is looking for you.